Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a bit quiet on the channel ever since my trip to the UK. Truth is, I came home to a pile of work waiting for me at the shop, and it's taken me this long just to get on top of it. Unfortunately, YouTube isn't paying the bills well enough to keep the wheels on the bus, so I'm back to doing a bit of steel fabrication at the shop. It's pretty awesome I'm able to get back to doing that kind of work with the help of this device after losing my fingers. I'm still trying to figure out exactly how to integrate the patterns that I get from the cartoid latch into my normal flow, but the cool thing is the mechanism itself is proving to be really predictable, which is exactly what you're looking for with this kind of thing. And after a month of continuous use, I only have a couple of changes that I think I need to make to it. First thing I need to change is the angle that the mounting rail is attached to the gaffney. I need to roll the fingers about 5 degrees forward. What that'll do is it'll give me slightly better coverage of my index medial with my thumb. The next thing that needs a little bit of help is with the splay. I get just a little too much backlash with the 3-link setup that I've been using for the past 4 or 5 hands. And I'd like it to require just a little less force to splay the fingers to the fully open position. I expect it'll take a little bit of work to get just the right feel with the linkage, but once I get that figured out, it'll completely wrap the finger assembly, bringing the project that much closer to being a kit. Another thing that I'm moving forward on is with the winder assembly. I've been pretty happy with the closing and the draw of this winder, so much so that I've gone ahead and ordered first articles of the machine components from PCBway. If the parts go together good, I'll be able to consider the winder assembly completely wrapped as well. This leaves the gaffney with the cartoid latch and the gimbal. The cartoid latch will need to be machined, but I think the gimbal can be printed from mag aluminum and be strong enough for long-term use. If you want to see my project in person, I'll be attending OpenSauce June 14th through 16th at the Cow Palace in San Francisco. I'll be at the PCBway booth with Elaine and her friends. Be sure to stop by and say hi. I'd love to meet you. I should see the winder parts sometime next week, and I'll be doing an unboxing video just to show you what they look like. Let me know what you think of my recent progress, and be sure to leave a comment if you'll be attending OpenSauce this weekend. Thanks for watching.